In this video, I want to talk about how you can paper trade on TradingView. This is super simple, guys. All you have to do is head over to tradingview.com, just quickly make an account, and this can be on the free version, no worries. Head over to products and select super charts. And once you're on any chart, you want to click on trading panel at the bottom. If nothing pops up, just grab this light gray line here and drag with your mouse until you see these. Then you want to just select paper trading and press connect. As you can see now, I have 100,000 fake money that I can use to demo trade. So this is the easiest way that you can do this. Your account will act as a normal account, just with fake money, so you can make trades and you can sell and everything, and you will be able to see how much you gained and how much you lost and all of your trades and everything. Now this is basically how it's done, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.